Hello everyone. Welcome to Smart False Ceiling. Today I will show you complete step-by-step gypsum false ceiling installation process from start to finish. If you are planning false ceiling work for your home or site, this video will help you understand the full professional method. For false ceiling work in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar, contact us at +91 9824251182. Let's start installation process. Show materials while speaking. Today we are using professional ceiling materials: gypsum board, GI channel framework, ceiling fasteners, joint tape, screws, wall angle support. All materials must be original quality for strong ceiling life. Speak while measuring wall. First step is proper site measurement. We measure wall to wall distance carefully before installing framework. Correct measurement gives perfect level ceiling finishing. Show drilling wall angle. Now we install wall angle support across room corners. Wall angle holds the entire ceiling framework structure. Strong fixing is very important here. Show framework installation. Now we install GI ceiling channels. Main channel supports full ceiling weight. Then we install cross channels to create ceiling grid structure. Proper alignment is required for straight finishing. Show level machine. Now we check ceiling level using level tool. This step ensures ceiling surface becomes perfectly straight. Professional level checking gives premium finishing result. Show screw fixing process. Now we start gypsum board installation. Gypsum boards are fixed using ceiling screws on framework. Correct screw distance keeps board strong and safe. This step forms final ceiling surface. Show joint tape. Next step is joint tape finishing. Joint tape hides gypsum board joints and prevents cracks in future. This step improves ceiling durability. Show finishing surface. Now we apply pop finishing on joints. This creates smooth surface before paint process. Good finishing gives luxury ceiling look. Show finished ceiling. Now you can see final gypsum full ceiling surface. After paint and lighting installation, ceiling looks modern and stylish. This design increases interior beauty of the house. Speak clearly. If you are planning false ceiling work in your home, office, or shop, Smart False Ceiling provides professional service in Ahmedabad and Gandhinagar. Contact us today. Phone +91 9824251182. Like the video, share with friends, subscribe our channel for more interior work videos. Thank you for watching.